Hi, this is gas agency software system, commonly known as GAS, and is designed specifically for LPG cylinder distributors of the likes of HPCL, BPCL, IOCL, and other private companies. This software enables you to convert all your manual work such as the billing of the new connections, various new connections which you all have, into real-time computerized basis. Distributors also maintain stock registers manually. If all the purchase and sale entries are entered, then the stock report also gets generated automatically. In this software, I will show you, in this demo, I will show you how all these things can happen fast and accurately. This software is secured with user ID password, which can be given to each and every user in your agency. Similarly, this software will run on all the PCs in the office of a distributor. This software does not require internet to run this software. However, it requires internet for the purpose of installation and updation. Now let me take you to the data entry of new connections. Say for example, Ujjwala loan, which is quite common nowadays. The billing of Ujjwala loan happens very fast on this. See, the date comes automatically, the bill number comes automatically. You have to input the connection number, consumer number, sorry, the SV number, name of the customer, mobile number, all other items like cylinder deposit, stamp duty, regulator, everything comes, installation of connection, blue book DGCC, 14 kg cylinder, Suraksha hose, hot plate for Ujjwala, everything, all the rates, everything comes automatically. If you want to edit something, say for example, stamp duty in Maharashtra is 100 rupees. However, many of the states, they don't have any stamp duty. Under such case, you can, edit it to 0. Similarly, all other fields are editable as per the requirement of the distributor from time to time. However, I am keeping the stamp duty currently to 100 rupees for the purpose of this demo. You can also select the delivery man. We say the entry saved. Once you save the entry, the record of this particular bill or cash memo is saved. You can print the cash memo. I am The cash memo is under printing. You can see it here on the left lower bottom. It indicates printing record. The bill is getting loaded. The bill has got printed here on the screen. You can see the name of the distributor. Left hand side, the logo of the company, the customer name, consumer number, SV number. It says it's a tax invoice, the invoice number, cash memo, date of the cash memo, all the items, cylinder deposit, regulator deposit. These are no sales item, judicial stamp paper, 100 rupees has come. All the other items like installation of connection, Blue Book, DGCC, 14 kg cylinder, Suraksha hose, Ujjwala, hot plate for Ujjwala, the value is indicated, however, it is not billed. The value of the bill is only 100 rupees, which you have to collect from the customer. Once again, I am repeating, this is for Maharashtra customers. However, there are many other states where the value of the stamp duty may be different. Or in some states like Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, there is no stamp duty, hence this will also be nil. All the reports can be mailed. Here on the top right hand side, there is a mail button. If you click that and input your email ID and click the button OK, the mail will go to your account. Many owners of the distribution are having multiple businesses or may not be in the office at all the time. So this facility of mailing is very useful to them so that their employees can send the mail whenever they require, especially towards the end of the day. Now I will come to refill sales. In case of refill sales, we do not, put the generate. The invoices are already generated through the company system. Hence, we need not have to generate all the invoices. However, we have to book the sale. Say, for example, (14 kg). If we have got 100 deliveries today, then we can book this per delivery man. Say for example, however, there is no compulsion that you have to use it per delivery man. You can make an aggregate. Supposing there are 100 deliveries, you can make 100 without delivery man. And for spot deliveries, that is for customers who are coming to your office and picking up the cylinders, you can also a delivery man by the name of Spot is created here, where you indicate that it has been collected from your office. And some people also give them discounts. Say 15 rupees discount per cylinder. So if 10 people have collected, so total discount comes to 150 rupees. You put here 150. So the total sale for the day is for 110 cylinders. It is 62,850. This is the total amount which is collected through refill sales. You say save. Yes. You need not to print this particular document because you have already issued invoices to the customers, individual invoices. Hence we say no. Now I will also show you the refill sales of commercial customers. That is to customers whom we give 19 kg cylinders and who may or may not pay us in cash. We may give them credit. So let me show you how to make entries of such commercial customers who also requires bill from you all. So we untick this particular cash box. We select the party. These rates, parties, everything has to be entered or created once. At the time of installation. So the party here is, in this example, is Decent Caterers, and it also indicates that Decent Caterers has to pay us 6,831 rupees. 19 kg cylinder. Delivery man. quantity, let's say 4, given to decent caterers. We save the record. We print the invoice. The invoice is, that is the credit memo this time. Last time it was cash memo for cash customer, is getting printed. Here it is. Credit memo to decent caterers. If you put in his master's the GSTN number, his GSTN number can also appear over here. It has to be entered in the customer master. 19 kg cylinder, 4 kg cylinder given. This is the amount. Every invoice is printed on A4 size blank page, for which you have to use a laser printer preferably, or an inkjet printer. 2 copies will be printed. The top one goes to the customer and the bottom one is an office copy which is to be retained by you after obtaining the signature of the customer. This was refill sales of commercial customer. Now I would like to take you to the data entry of the purchase which we make from our suppliers. Our main supplier is our principal, which in your case could be BPCL, IOCL, HPCL, as the case may be. So when you enter the date comes automatically, you have to give the bill number, that is the invoice number. You say LPG purchase, maybe 14 kg cylinder, 306 in one load. You save this item. The invoice is generated. It is entered. You save this particular entry. Sure to save record? Yes. Now that we have already made entries, few entries of sales and purchase, let us try and understand what is the stock report saying at this moment. So you go to the option stock report. Let's say we are trying to find out the position today. It is 25th of August. Now you can see here Blue Book DGCC, one outward. Similarly, hot plate flow or Ujjwala is there, one in outward. Suraksha hose, one in outward. Hundred and 11 cylinders of 14 kg are in outward. 419 kg cylinder are in outward. So from our purchase, 306 filled cylinders have come inwards and 306 empty cylinders have gone outward. So this is automatic. Whenever you purchase, filled cylinder will come inwards and 306 same number of cylinders will go outward. Similarly, in refill, whatever you have, say in this case, it was 110 cylinders which has gone outward filled and 110 empty have come inwards. Now this one cylinder, that is 111 which is showing, is refill of Ujjwala, for which we don't receive any empty. So here it is 19 kg. Also 4 filled cylinders have gone outwards, 4 empty has come inwards, and 1 regulator has gone outwards. So it will show the, for any given date, it will show the opening balance, the quantity which has come inwards, quantity which has gone outwards, and the closing balance. And if you put the rate in the item master, rate over here in the item master, you will get the value of the existing stock as to what is the value of the existing stock which you are carrying on any given date. It will show you a real-time value because this is a real-time system. Now, similarly, we also have these GST reports, GSTR1, GSTR3B, which can be generated on this. Now, I will show you the GST report. If you put all the purchase and sales, it will generate GST. Now, I'll show you the GST report from 1st of August. In purchase of 5%, we have already paid a GST of 1,51,373.56. And in sales for 5% item, we have collected 20,344.14 till date. And in under 18% item, we have collected 10,465.60, totaling to 30,809.74. So the net GST which is payable is minus 1,20,563.82 because our purchase is more than sales. So this much of amount of GST is recoverable. If you generate GSTR1, GSTR3B, it will come in the Excel sheet and you can upload this onto the GST portal. Let's say we are trying to generate GSTR1 of August 2019. Send sure to generate? Yes. So it is generated, the Excel file is generated. You can see this. For every item, description, value, purchase, sales, everything is generated. This is something, this returns GSTR1. You can directly upload it, save it on your computer first, and then upload it to the GST portal. Hence, you will be saving a lot of money which otherwise you are spending on your accountant, on your GST experts, chartered accountants, etc. Now, if you put input purchase and sales, GST report is generated. Similarly, if you input the expenses and other incomes by way of vouchers, these vouchers, you can create the profit and loss account, generate the profit and loss account and balance sheet. The various vouchers which are created are of cash receipt, cash payment, bank receipt, that is any amount received through bank payment, that is the check payments which we make, bank deposit, the amount of money which we deposit daily in the bank, and bank withdrawals, whatever withdrawals we make, debit note and credit note which we raise. For distributors who are having commercial customers, I'll also show you the group ledger and the ledger as to how to control the outstanding from your customers. But prior to that, let me take you to the daily cash report, which is an important report for the owner of the distributor, of the distribution. Let's say today's cash position opening balance was this much. We have sold about 68,000 odd in under 14 kg. Counter sales, that is the items beyond LPG items which are sold directly to the customers. Then SV we have generated of 10,000. Under servicing items, that is the inspection and repairs which your mechanics carry, will come over here. That also can be billed like counter sales items. Then any other receipts which you have received, that will come over here. TV out, that is you refund money to the customer through TV out, that will appear over here. The money which you have deposited in the bank today will appear over here. Any payments made in cash, because there is a cash report, any payments made in cash will appear here. Any purchases made in cash will appear here. The expenses which you are booking, where money is paid in cash, that will come over here. Others over here, and this is the closing balance. This closing balance and the physical cash of your agency in the evening should tally. That will signify that everything is okay. And this report can also be mailed, printed, and can be mailed. Now let me take you to the ledgers. Say group ledgers. As on date, let's say of sundry debtors, Sundry debtors are all our commercial customers to whom we give credit, whether we give credit or not. They will appear over here. See, all our commercial customers are appearing. Also appearing is the Ujjwala claim account. So whatever today we have made a sale under the Ujjwala claim account of 1818 rupees point 50 paise. We have not yet received this money from our principals. So this will get, you'll have to pass a credit entry or a voucher through voucher whenever you receive money, so that here the balance will get reduced to that extent. Now let me also bring you to Decent Caterers for the amount which we have sold today, 5,852. This is showing here in debit. In addition to that 6,831 debit balance which he was having. Now the total outstanding from Decent Caterers is 12,683. Now we can go much into detail. By double clicking, we can directly go to the ledger of Decent Caterers. Let's say we want to find out from 1st of July, what are the transactions of Decent Caterers. His opening balance on 1st of July was 6960. Thereafter, we have received a cash of 25,000 rupees from him. Debit of 6 cylinders we have sold to him on 20th of July. Another 6 on 28th of July. On 17th of August, 5 cylinders, and today 4 cylinders. So total sales made, total outstanding is 37,683, against which we have received a cash of 25,000. So there is a recovery of 12,683 to be done from him. We can also get delivery man report. As to how many delivery have been made by the respective delivery persons on a daily basis. Let's say today, show report. So on today, that is 28th of August, these are the delivery men. Jayvant has made one delivery of Ujjwala, that is new connection. Then refill spot, about 10 people have come to the office and collected. Parshuram has delivered 25 refills. Nitin has delivered 20 refills. Jayvant 30 refills. Anil 25 refills. Vilas 4 refills to Decent Caterers. So total today has been 115. Cylinders have gone. Now we can also generate delivery man summary. Let's say we'll generate a summary for the month of August. So this is what is being delivered by every delivery man for 19 kg cylinders, 14.2 kg cylinder, 5 kg cylinder, if at all. And we can export this as this in the form of an Excel sheet. And in the Excel sheet, for those distributors who make payment per delivery, if they put that amount, against 19 kg, 14 kg, 5 kg cylinder, then they will get a total to be paid to every delivery person. And sometimes the delivery person would have taken an advance, that amount can appear here as a minus, so that the net payable over here will appear in the last column of the Excel sheet. So friends, while broadly I have covered the major and important aspect of this particular software gas, and if you want to know in detail, further detail and practice it, please ask for a trial version of the software which will be installed on your PC, and training will be imparted to you or your employees who can practice this software for a few days, and thereafter you can take the decision whether to buy this software. In case if you would not like to buy the software, then the trial version of the software will be uninstalled from your package, or else if you would like to purchase it, please make the necessary payment and purchase it. Hope you have liked this video and the product. If you buy this product, it will do all your work very fast and accurate. Back reference will be very easy. You'll save a lot of time, energy, and money on labor. And most importantly, this particular software package will run your business in the most efficient and disciplined manner. So thank you very much for giving your valuable time in going through the demo of this package. Thank you.